Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use flower wire effectively. Flower wire is an indispensable tool for florists and hobbyists alike, offering crucial support and flexibility for your floral creations. It allows you to manipulate stems, secure delicate blooms, and maintain the desired shape of your arrangements. We will explore different types of wire and their applications, ensuring your flowers look their best and last longer. Choosing the correct wire gauge is paramount for successful floral work. For robust flowers with thick stems, such as roses or hydrangeas, an 18 or 20 gauge wire provides ample support. Conversely, delicate blooms like sweet peas or small filler flowers benefit from a finer 26 or 28 gauge wire. Always consider the flower's weight and stem integrity to prevent damage and ensure stability. Several fundamental techniques exist for wiring flowers, each suited for different purposes. The piercing method is ideal for adding support directly through the calyx of a bloom. For securing individual petals or leaves, the hook method works wonderfully by creating a small anchor. The wrap method, where wire is coiled around the stem, offers excellent reinforcement for weaker stems, ensuring your arrangements hold their form beautifully. Once your flowers are wired, the next step is to finish them properly and integrate them into your design. Always wrap any exposed wire with floral tape to create a seamless, natural look and protect other elements. Use sharp wire cutters to trim the wire to the exact length needed for your arrangement. This meticulous attention to detail ensures your floral creations are not only stunning, but also structurally sound and long-lasting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.